Hey everybody, my name is Dave Duford at Buy Life Insurance for Burial, where I answer your questions as it relates to life insurance. So today's question is, how can I get the best deal for the kind of life insurance that I'm applying for? So this is a pretty good question, and I think it can be summarized down into three specific parts. So I'm going to hit both of these and go into detail as to each element and how each of them has a big impact on your ultimate goal for getting the best package deal. So the first thing is define your goals. I think this is the most important thing that a lot of people don't necessarily think long and hard enough about when it comes to purchasing life insurance. They just think that, oh, it's life insurance, it's life insurance. I'm just going to get the cheapest one that's available. I'm just going to get this one because somebody told me to. What you need to do is match the life insurance goals that you have, the problems that you have, and match the appropriate product as being the solution to meld both of those together. So a perfect example is maybe you now have just purchased a home. You recognize that you've got this great new home, but now you've got this great big old mortgage debt. Say you owe $250,000 and it's payable over the next 30 years. Well, a good goal or a good life insurance product to cover that would be a 30-year term life insurance product. It covers the plan in its entirety and matches the goal of whatever the problem was that you had, which is if you died before you paid the thing off, then you still owe that money, and it will be a problem for your surviving family. So that's an example where life insurance matches your goal. That should be always your first goal in figuring out how to get the best price and get the best value. Again, because it can be just about price, and you buy a 10-year term, but it's no good after 10 years. You have to re-up again, and if you get ill or your health changes, you may not qualify for a new one. So number two would be to work and clearly work out your budget. So I come from a background in the insurance business where I predominantly have helped fixed income seniors. So when you get one check a month, pretty much your main concern is price. And really, truly, it's a big deal for a lot of us, right? We've got to make sure if we spend money on life insurance, it's affordable, it matches our goals, financially, that we're going to keep it. And so as a life insurance salesperson, I've always thought, well, you know what? I don't want to sell something to somebody that drops off after 6 or 12 months. It's a waste of money. So when I look at life insurance coverage on a person that's looking to do business with me, one of the things we discuss right up front is what they can easily afford. The best policy to have is the one that's easily affordable because, look, you're going to drop anything else or might talk yourself out of keeping it. Ideally, I want my clients to buy a plan and it's so affordable they don't really think too much about it because it's affordable. And it's going to stick for as long as it's going to be there. So define your budget, what you're comfortable with. Most life insurance agents can custom tailor a plan to fit whatever budget you give. Number three is to work with a broker. So if you don't know the difference between what's called a broker and a captive agent, a captive agent represents one company, which means they sell one product with one set of options. Clearly, if you have a unique scenario, or even if you don't, that one option might not be the best choice for you. Alternatively, you can be a broker, and what a broker does is has access to a variety of different life insurance companies, and they can take your unique health history, your lifestyle, your hobbies maybe, your age, smoking use, and basically custom tailor a program, shop it with the other types of life insurance companies available to him, which many times he has more than a dozen available, and see who's going to give the best offer for life insurance coverage. In this way, you can get the best value in combination with the best price. And sometimes this is really important if you've had a history of health problems. Maybe you're not in perfect health, and you want to make sure you get the best overall value. Because a life insurance company here might look at diabetes or blood pressure or cholesterol differently than a life insurance company B. Ultimately, what matters is you get a good deal for what it is that you're purchasing. Now, if you're looking for life insurance and you want a plan that satisfies your life insurance goals, fits your budget, and you want to get the best value out of it, what we do at Buy Life Insurance for Burial is broker with different life insurance companies in an attempt to get you the best overall package for your coverage. What I would invite you to do is there's a link down here at the bottom. It will take you to a web page of mine that shows you the different kinds of life insurance coverages available at different amounts of coverage. And then all of the details that someone in your position would ask, such as who gets life insurance, what are good reasons to buy life insurance, what types of life insurance coverage are available, and what factors may affect your insurability, just as a service to give you and educate you and inform you about the life insurance process so you can better determine how much coverage is what you need, what you can afford, because we offer free quotes as well, and just give you and empower you with information so you can determine what is necessary to take the next step of to take out a policy. My name is David Duford. Go to the website down below to learn more information about how it works. You can also go to buylifeinsuranceforburial.com and check us out that way. Or you can call if you'd like to ask some questions. You got a quote, you'd like us to give you a quote. It's 888-626-0439. One of our professionals will be happy to assist. It takes about 10 minutes to run a quote and give you an idea of what your price may run. My name is David Duford at Buy Life Insurance for Burial. Thanks for watching. Take care.